Today we are going to learn about absolute value. There are 4 short videos to go along with our lesson today. You will either need to print the guide and practice or use notebook paper and a pencil to work the problems that go along with the video. Absolute value is the distance of a number from 0 on the number line. Because absolute value refers to the distance on a number line, it is always a positive number. The notation we use to show absolute value is a pair of vertical bars that look like these. The way we read absolute value is we would look at this expression and we would say the absolute value of -9. Anytime you see these bars, you say the absolute value of and whatever number is inside the bars. We would read this number, the absolute value of 14. Absolute value means the distance from a number to 0. I have the absolute value of -7, that is 7 spaces from 0. The answer is 7. The absolute value of a positive 7 is also 7 because it is 7 units away from 0. The absolute value of 3 equals 3 because it's 3 units from 0. The absolute value of -68 would be 68 because it is 68 units from 0. The absolute value of a -4.09 would be a positive 4.09 because it is 4.09 spaces from 0. When evaluating an expression that contains absolute value bars, you simplify the values within the bars first. For example, I have the absolute value of -12 plus the absolute value of -3. You have to take the value of both of these before you can add them together. The absolute value of -12 is 12. The absolute value of -3 is 3. Then I will add these two values together, 12 plus 3, to get 15. Another example, I have the absolute value of 18 minus the absolute value of -5. The absolute value of 18 is 18. The absolute value of -5 is 5. I'm going to subtract this time, so 18 minus 5 would be 13. Here is another example of an expression. The absolute value of 3 plus the absolute value of -9. The absolute value of 3 is 3. The absolute value of -9 is 9. We would add these two together to get 12. The absolute value of -18 is 18, minus the absolute value of -10 is 10. We're going to subtract these two, and 18 minus 10 would be 8. I would like for you to work numbers 1 through 9 on your printed handout or work these on notebook paper. Once you have finished, you can go to the next video and we will check our answers on the next video.